Bread. Go, 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 go. You cannot eat bread. No bread. Yalla, go. You want to stay in the camera? Do you want somebody to come and take you? Because of him, all the pigeons, they run away. They go far. Yeah, pigeons. Guys, please double tap to give me the like. But we as human, if we don't find meat in our food, we can't eat anything. But see, cats, they can't eat. See how he's escorting them? They're running away. They go up. How many they are? 5, 6. There are 6. The other side, there are more than 6. You guys don't want to come down? Do you want me to end my live stream? Come down. See, they listen to me. See, they're coming down. Come down, come down, come and eat. Pigeon. How will I call you? Come, 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 come. Pigeon. Lucky pigeon, look, is there. Can these cats go to the restaurants? هيدا اصلا هي don't want ما بدي هن تعبانه.
هي تعبانه بس بدها تمشي.
تعبانه وما بده. Look at all of them there. They are standing there waiting. They are waiting. They're waiting to clear the coast so that they can come down. Let me video them. So when they come down, I will do the video down so that you don't look empty grounds. لا وين لا شو هيك حطوا كلينا جاية حطوا بعد هنا شفتك بس انت حطوا هنا جاية يلا هات ما في security هات don't put Alma the security عم بتطلع فيك هاي Jack, where are you from? I'm from Nigeria. انت ليه عم بربوا هيك هونيك؟ You're making them run away. They flow up. يلا كام هونيك ما في أكل هون في أكل وين رايحة يا خيي Now they're coming down one after the other. Yay. They're super big on the I zoomed them. See, they're super happy. Now they understand I don't want to do anything. I want to feed them just. Now it's nice to take care of all these pictures. Do you guys need water? Should I get you water? So nice. Let me zoom it again. Let's make them beautiful more. Hey. Oh, I love you. Love you too. Thank you. Please, if it's the first time you're coming across my channel, please subscribe and double tap to give me the like. Thank you for your support. It's the weekend. It's Saturday. Wow. They like bread. Me too, I love bread. I love bread too much.